Don't sign up for an online course to make money in day trading. Literally everything you'd ever need to know about anything is already available on the web. It's called YouTube. All right, these are for the young people out there that are following this channel that are interested in day trading or cryptocurrency or Amazon drop shipping, and you're getting that type of stuff in your feed as well. Be very, very conscious of what you're seeing. If you're following somebody on Instagram or TikTok or wherever, then I don't know, more than 10% of their posts that they do is about them just kind of making money and showing you what they got. And this is the watch I got, and holding up stacks of $100 bills and sitting in front of their car. That's, whatever. These people are not making money. Let me explain something to you. If someone's making $5,000, $10,000 a day, they're not spending time developing a course which takes hours and hours and hours and hours to develop, to sell it to somebody for a couple $100. It just doesn't make sense. It's called the management of the time. Time is money. And if my time can be spent in the stock market making $5,000 on a couple of trades in the morning before 10 a.m., why in the world would I then go spend another 8 hours teaching classes to make a couple $100 here and there? It makes no sense. So don't believe it. There are some great people out there that provide a tremendous amount of value. Those people aren't flaunting what they got all the time, and these people are trying to just provide value because they're not doing those things. They are literally just providing you little nuggets of how they become successful or what they've done to sort of overcome some kind of obstacle, and they'll never ask you to sort of sign up or join anything. So be very conscious of it. If you're seeing it out there, follow these guys for entertainment, but for the love of God, don't sign up for an online course to make money in day trading. Literally everything you'd ever need to know about anything is already available on the web. It's called YouTube.